you know by the title of the thumbnail, we're gonna do a POV drive, driving to work. You know what I'm saying? And the 5.7 Hemi. Oh shit. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Driving these damn mountains, bro. This thing's just having such a heavyweight vehicle just can't really take these turns at a certain speed. But you know, we're getting it. Y'all could hear the car, but when I get on that, when I get on a straight stretch, I'll wind the windows down, let y'all hear it. I do like a little small pull for y'all, you know what I'm saying? truck's gonna hook me up. And I'm already late, bro. Like, It's 8:22 right now. Yeah, I'm already late. Damn. Drop it in manual mode. Let it rip. Also, if y'all have any ideas or video ideas that you all want me to do out the car or whatnot, y'all just drop it in the comments. I'll read all my comments. So just let me know. I'm almost at work. Hope you guys like this video. Always remember to like, share, and comment. Drop a follow. I really appreciate it. Well, I'm at work, guys, so I'll see y'all in the next video. As I said, remember to drop a like on the video, comment, follow. I'll really appreciate it. I'll give you guys some rose before in this vlog. Alright, see y'all in the next one. Peace.